Hi guys, welcome to Itza. In today's video, I just wanted to do a really quick tip of the day. And in this case, it involves our practice hands and how you can save materials, because you know me, I love to save money. And so I want to show you how you can reuse your practice fingers. I have this set already that I've already was practicing on. And before, what I used to do is I would file down the glossy layer in order for the tip to adhere or to have better adherence. But now I skip that step. And at the end, look how easy they come off. They literally pop off. Some are easier than others. And let me just show you, because then previously I would just throw these away. So now I just go, and pardon my nails, I know they're not in the best shape. Now I just go around the nail tip. See right there? I stick my nail or a tool and it just pops off and it's ready to be used again. So I hope you guys find this helpful and useful, and let me know how it goes and see if you are saving yourself some money on purchasing these tips. But anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, just go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below, share it with your friends or anybody who might find this useful, and I'll see you at the next one.